The markets entered Samvat 2079 on a strong note, with the BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50 rising 0.88% each in Muhurat trades on Monday evening. While the Sensex surged 525 points to end at 59,832 levels, the Nifty moved up 155 points to close at 17,731 levels. In the process, the frontline indices logged their best Muhurat day gain in 14 years. The last time the markets witnessed this stupendous performance was in the Muhurat session in 2008, when the Sensex and the Nifty surged 5.86% and 6.35% respectively. And in the last 5 years, the markets have always given a positive return on Muhurat trading day. Meanwhile, the mid and small cap indices on the NSE moved up around 0.5% and 1% each in Muhurat trade on Monday. Among individual stocks, leading the gains among the Sensex stocks in the Muhurat session were Nestle India and ICICI Bank. Both the stocks rallied over 2% each. State Bank of India, HDFC Twins, Dr. Reddy's was some of the other key gainers, rising between 1.25% and 1.7% in Muhurat trade. HUL, on the other hand, ended 3.05% lower at 2,574 rupees levels on the BSE. However, technically the market seems to be on a strong footing. Here are the key levels to watch.
Global markets are presently going through a turmoil phase, tracking cues from geopolitical tension, Fed thinking of another interest rate hike, and Treasury yield soaring day by day. Global economists are deeply concerned about US economies as well. However, here in domestic market, BSE and Sensex both are placed really well. While making a comparison between Dow and Sensex and Nifty, one could definitely see the rebounds and the pullback that Indian markets have shown post-June 2022. US markets have thereafter went to hit new 52 weeks lows, breaching 30,000, the sentimental mark. At this moment, benchmark indices, BSE, Sensex and Nifty are facing moderate and minor hurdles. For Sensex, 59,000 becomes the immediate hurdle, whereas for Nifty, 17,500 is the next resistance mark. Once these hurdles are crossed, definitely Indian markets are going to see fresh all-time highs. On the downside, Nifty has a support of 16,800, whereas for Sensex, the support comes at 56,000 levels. When try to evaluate between Nifty small cap and mid cap, Nifty mid cap is definitely holding ground above 29,500 and it can rally to 32,000 levels. Whereas Nifty small cap, which is currently showing a sideways momentum, has a support of 9,100 and it can see a resistance of 10,000 levels.
On the earnings front, speaking on the current market trend, Ajit Mishra, Vice President of Research at Religare Broking, expects the markets to rally if there are no disturbances and broader markets to play catch-up in the near term.
Markets have recently witnessed a breakout from the consolidation zone after spending nearly 2 weeks into consolidation, and we are seeing a gradual recovery since then. So, but if you see that the major contribution to this recovery is the global clues, especially the recovery in the US market is basically fueling this momentum. And we expect this move to continue, provided there is nothing major happens in the global markets, means the global market will sustain the move that we are currently seeing. At the same time, if we talk about the index, 17,100 is what we are eyeing in Nifty as a critical support in the near future. And gradually, once we see this recovery unfolding, a level close to around 18,100, which is the previous swing high, might act as a resistance. In between, the broader indices, they are witnessing a mixed trend, means they have not participated in line with the index so far. But going ahead, we expect a catch-up move. But considering that we are into the earnings season and the other factor also comes into play, one should remain selective in this space and stick with the fundamentally strong counters, because we might see restricted participation to continue in the broader markets, at least in the near future.
Going ahead in this holiday shorted trading week, global cues, FII flows, rupee movement, monthly FNO expiry, and the ongoing earnings season can sway the market mood either way. Chennai Petro, Dabur, PC Jeweler, SBI Cards, Tata Chemicals, Blue Dart, Dr. Reddy's, Maruti Suzuki India, Tata Power, and Indian Oil are some of the prominent companies scheduled to announce earnings this week.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.